The Tecno Phantom X2 Pro's spotlight feature is its camera setup. The pop-out telephoto portrait camera module stands out in particular. The camera in question is motorized and pokes out of the phone's body automatically whenever in use. The lens has a 2.5x zoom level compared to the main camera, but due to the unusually wide f1.5 aperture, Tecno is marketing it as a portrait cam rather than a telephoto cam for zooming purposes. Before we go any further, let's go over the cameras and their respective sensors. The main 50 megapixels camera is based on the Samsung S5K-JNV sensor, which appears to be the ISO CELL-GNV, a custom sensor previously used in the Vivo X80 series. It has a 1/1.3 inches size, 1.2 micrometers pixels, employs an RGBW arrangement and uses ISO CELL 3.0 technology. The lens's front element, the outermost of the 7 lens elements, is made of glass. Moving on to the 50 megapixels, f1.49, 65mm portrait camera, it uses a Samsung S5K-JN1 telesensor, commonly known as the Samsung ISO CELL-JN1. That means 1/2.76 inches sensor size, 0.64 micrometers pixels and ISO CELL 2.0 tech with double super PD autofocus and tetrapixel RGB biopixel arrangement.